What's up everyone, this is Karan here back with another video. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. There's another ported build for Redmi Note 8 is available here. MIUI 12 Clev by Mobile Team 20.6.15 beta version. As always, this is also a ported build which is not officially available for Redmi Note 8. So I'll show you that which are the new things which you get here, will you get new things or not, and what are the bugs and what are the bug fixes, everything in this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started right now. Okay, as you can see, this is MIUI 12 Clev by Mobile Team 20.6.15 beta version, where you got the Android security patch of 1st of May 2020, which is little bit of old security patch. And if you talk about the Android version, you got the Android version 10 as expected. Moving on to the default launcher, as you can see, this is the default launcher which you get here, and default theme. Yes, icons are a little bit of change, and how I have just changed these icons, you can go to theme store and here you can search for the icons here, and you can apply any icon pack directly from there. This is one of the features available in MIUI 12. Just click there, click on download option, it will start downloading, and after downloading you can directly apply these icons directly without having to apply the full theme. That's very kind of interesting thing. As you can see, it's just downloading, so let us wait and let me just show you that how you can apply this icon pack. As you can see, it's almost done. Okay, here it is. Just click on apply, click on app icons, and you are good to go. It will ask you to choose app icons or with wallpaper or without wallpaper, so we will choose without wallpaper. As you can see, all the icons are changed and looking cool. If you choose some other icons, it will show great thing for you. Everything is just fine here. And also, if you just want to apply some themes, you can apply all the themes directly from the import section. Also, you can import the third-party themes without having any issues. Just click on import and import whatever theme you like. Just go for it. Like, I'll choose this one, iOS Cars V12 by Karan.mtz. If you have not watched my themes video, you can go and check it out, the themes video. Also click on OK, and you're good to go. It will start importing, and here it is, it's done. Click on this, click on apply, and after applying, it will start applying, and you're good to go. You'll not see any errors after applying the theme or whatever else. So yes, here it is, we are good to go. The iOS theme is properly applied and looking perfect. So first of all, let me just show you a bug which I got in this build, and the bug is this. When you click there, your system launcher just stopped. Okay, as you can see, system launcher keeps stopping. You cannot edit the folder here. I have not tried to create some other folders, but the folder which is present here, I've tried to use that one. And as you can see, while clicking here, system launcher keeps stopping. So this is the first bug which I got here. Talking about the camera is perfectly fine here. As you can see, click photos without having any issues. Talking about the portrait mode, that's also perfectly fine here. We talk about the ultra wide, let me just show you. Ultra wide is perfectly fine here too, so which means no bug here. And if we talk about the macro lens, let me just show you. This one is the macro lens. Macro lens is perfectly fine here. And last we have the pro mode, which has 48 megapixel camera. Just click here, and that's perfectly fine here too, which means you can use this room especially for the camera, because all the 4 cameras are perfectly fine. A very cool and positive thing. Also, if you talk about the Gcam, you can use Gcam also. Moving on to some other things, let's move on to settings. And as you can see, I've already applied a theme which is looking like this, my iPhone, and this is, you can see my iPhone iOS version. So as always, you also get the always on display option available here, which is not working as expected. You also get the notification animation. You can adjust these notification animations, looking just cool. I didn't try that it's working or not, but looks pretty much cool. You also get the smart cover mode option available here, and all other options are same here. Talking about the charging animations, You get 3 charging animations: flow, glow and wave. If you have not tried these yet, just go for it and try it out right now. Moving on to display and brightness, everything is just fine here. System font, control center and notification shade. Here I also got a limited bug, you can say, when you go to hide notch option. When you click on hide and move status bar, notch is hidden, and if you have saw that, as you can see, your notch is still there. It's hidden, it's perfectly hidden, but notch is still there, which means it's not properly hidden. This is also a bug. I am not saying it's a major bug, a little bit of bug, minor bug, whatever else you wanna say, but still a bug is a bug. Notification, connection speed, switch control center side, new thing. Click here and control center is here. It is not slow this time, not laggy this time, so it means you can use control center without having any issues. Go for it, and this is perfectly fine. You can also get the home screen option, and here I also got a bug here. You can see home screen search bar, you have enabled it. If you want to choose a search bar provider, click there, another force close. I don't know why it has these kind of minor bugs, but that doesn't matter. So you can just disable it if you want to. If you want to enable it, it will take some things, and as you can see, when you click on search bar provider, it will force stop, and all other things are perfectly fine, and everything has no other issues like password and security. You got the fingerprint, password and face lock, everything is there, everything is perfectly fine. So this was all from today's video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, have a nice day.